Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to frame a Ram ProMaster. First, carefully measure your van's interior to plan your layout. Decide on materials, such as aluminum for lightness or wood for a classic feel. Think about where your insulation and electrical wiring will go. A good plan saves time and ensures a sturdy, functional build, making your conversion smoother. Next, let's tackle the floor and walls. Start with a solid subfloor, which provides a flat surface and insulation. For the walls, attach furring strips directly to the van's metal ribs. Use appropriate fasteners like self-tapping screws or rivnuts for a strong hold. Double-check that everything is plumb and level for a professional finish. Moving upwards, frame your ceiling to support panels, lighting, and any overhead storage. It's crucial to build in strong supports for any heavy cabinetry or appliances you plan to install. Incorporate cross-bracing where needed to enhance the overall rigidity of your structure. Don't forget to plan for ventilation and fan openings. Finally, review your entire frame. Ensure all connections are tight and secure. If using wood, consider applying a protective finish to prevent moisture damage. Always leave some access points or space for potential future upgrades. Test all doors and drawers to confirm they open and close smoothly without obstruction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.